Yeah, turkeys out in the rain. Water running over the fossils, the crinoid fossils. Found a golf ball. Found another golf ball. That's two golf balls. That one's pretty old. It's been here for a while. Even this, I found another golf ball. I'm hiking in an area I've never hiked before. That's probably why I found the golf balls. This is unbelievable. I found another golf ball. And another golf ball. That's 6 golf balls in one day. That's a record for me. And the funny thing about those golf balls, I'm not even close to the golf course. There's a lot of tulip tree blooms blown off in this area. See my first deer of the morning. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 3 of them. That's probably the herd of does. This is where they've been hanging out. One just snorted and ran off. I got too close to it. I just heard another one snort and run off. It was standing right there. Went down the hill and crossed, and I see it standing up on top of the hill over there. They're nervous this morning. They're not letting me get close at all. With the leaves on the tree, they're hard to find now. See a deer down the hill. Looks like a pregnant female. Well, that doe ran off over here, but with the leaves on the trees, I can't see where she ran off to. She probably ran down this hill, and she's in that area over there somewhere. But I'm not going to follow her. I've lucked out on the rain so far, but I think my luck's gonna run out here pretty soon. It's getting pretty dark. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to cut my hike short. It's supposed to rain all day. But I had a dry hour and a half, so I can't complain. See that turkey's out in the rain. It's not raining hard, so I decided to hike one of my favorite areas of the park to my car. I think I'll cut through here. Enjoying my rainy day hike. It's raining a little harder now, but that's all right. I won't melt. See some new mushrooms growing here. I see Run to a Road down there. I'm gonna make my way to my car and go home.